Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video will be a practice lesson for us. So in this video we're gonna discuss about whether the number is even or odd. So what we have to do first, we have to make a class. I'll make a class in my Java folder by Java package. Okay. So first, let's make a class and name the class as practice E1 node. Okay, so I just named this as a practice E1 node, and let's start this. Click on this to make automatic method. So this will be showing here. So to check a number whether the number is even or odd, first we have to take a integer variable that is int a is equal to, let's take integer a is equal to 35. Okay, and semicolon. So here we will run a condition, if condition. We will run a if condition if a number is, for example, if a, you can write a here, and a, which we assigned a is equal to 35. A divided by 2 double equal to 0. This will be the condition, because if 35 divided by 2 is equal to 0, because if we divide a number and the remainder is equal to 0, then the number will be even. Same as here, a that is modulus, we use here to double equal to 0, used to comparison operator, as will be, if it will be a 0, then the mm, then we will print out system dot out dot print line the number is even. If this condition runs, then the number is even. Oh, sorry, I'm just, and now here else, we will write else system dot out dot print line. What we will do here is number is odd. So this will be the syntax, and this will be the condition here we will run. And I will tell you first, let's run this program and see what gonna happen. And number is odd. Why number is odd? Because we have initialized a variable integer a is equal to 35. You know very well 35 can divide by 2, which makes a remainder. It can be divided by 2, but it will leave a remainder here, and the remainder should be a 0. If remainder should be a 0, that number will be is even. So let's try, and let's make it 34. Okay, so now try, we will run this program. Let's see what happens. The number is even, because 34 can be divided by 2 with no remainder is 0 will be a remainder, and then the number is even. So if this condition, if a divided by 2 is equal to 0, if this condition is true, then the number is even, otherwise the number is odd. So this is how you can uh, check whether the number is even or odd in Java. This is just a basic program for you to understand. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please follow me on this, on my channel Neer H. Follow and subscribe and share if you like it. Thank you so much.